Hey guys, Hailey here, and I am ready to teach you something new. Today we're making the cutest blinged out forever rose heart box. It is faux roses and they have some bling and they are inside of a heart-shaped box. I will link the materials in the description below. Everything you can get from Amazon. This is super simple and so cute to make. Anybody would love to get this as a gift. I know I would. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy making the project as much as I did, and I hope you make them because then I would have succeeded in teaching you how to do something. As I mentioned before, I'll go ahead and link the products in the description below. You'll need a heart box, some floral foam, roses, and those faux roses come with a stem. I just used a little needle, but I recommend using the stem. I just went ahead and opened the box, placed the floral foam inside to cut it to shape, and then I used a little cutting tool to cut the small pieces to fill in the rest of the box. Be careful, it does make the sides of the box dirty since it's a white box, so you just have to clear that off. Once you are done placing the floral foam inside, go ahead and start placing your flowers in. Use the stem and stick the stem into the floral foam. I like to stick the roses in starting in the outer corners and work my way inwards. I like to make like a little frame of the roses and then fill in the rest in the center. This just makes it look neater and it makes it look more like a heart. So start with the outer frame as I'm doing, as you see. Also make sure there's no gaps. Make sure you don't see any of the green floral foam. So you see it's heart shape and there's only a little bit left in the middle, and I'm just going to fill it in with more roses. Now, I mentioned the diamond picks. The diamond picks are really going to help secure these roses into the floral foam. All you're going to do is you're going to get the diamond pick and stick it right into the center of the rose. And then you're going to feel the floral foam because these roses are not too thick. You're going to put it in the center of each rose and you're just going to have it to secure the rose down. Do it for every single rose and it gives it that blinged out look. Once you're done, you're ready to gift it to someone you love. And look how cute this turned out. Isn't it just the cutest thing? I hope you had so much fun making this. I know I did. And please don't forget to subscribe and comment and follow me on Instagram for more content. Bye guys. Thanks for tuning in.